In this lesson, we are going to download and install a 21-day trial version of ArcGIS Pro. Right, so through your browser, navigate to the ArcGIS Pro homepage and click on Free Trial. Here, you can sign up for a 21-day free trial of ArcGIS Pro. But just note that at the end of the 21-day period, you will have to pay for a subscription. To see how much a license costs, go to the pricing page, and here you'll see all the options available to pay for the software. So to get our trial license, you're just going to go ahead and fill in your basic information and click OK. Once you fill your information in and click Submit, you get this confirmation message. An email has been sent to you with a link to complete your download. Just be sure to check your spam folder if your filter settings are enabled. Click on the link in the email, and it will take you to the registration page to set up your password and security questions. Set your password and choose your security question and click OK. Now, once you've filled in your password and security information and registered, your account is finished and set up, and you are taken to your ArcGIS Online account portal. Now, this account is registered to the email address that you entered, and it is your own virtual space on the Esri ArcGIS Online cloud. From here, you can access all the ArcGIS Online functionality that you saw described in the trial license. To finish our download, click on your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select My Settings. In the left-hand pane, click on Licenses and then select ArcGIS Pro. Click Download and then click on the Installation Instructions. This will open in a new tab. Take this time to read through the installation instructions, and once your download is complete, follow the installation instructions to make sure you install ArcGIS Pro correctly. In this lesson, we saw how to download and install a 21-day trial version of ArcGIS Pro.